Hi everyone, I'm Melissa Illingworth and this is my video about heat of reaction. So there are many signs we can see to determine if a chemical reaction has happened. Things we can see with our eye are like bubbling to see if a gas product is formed or a solid being produced, a precipitation reaction. Some reactions also let off light. When you strike a match, we see light emitting from that chemical reaction of burning. And also a color change can happen. The products can be a different color than the reactants. But I'm going to show you a reaction today that has a different kind of sign to show that it's happened, a temperature change. Here's the reaction. Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide produce sodium chloride, salt, and water. Here I have some HCl, hydrochloric acid, stirring on the stir plate. Now I'm going to add some NaOH. And we didn't see any change. We didn't see any color change or light emitted. There's no solid precipitate. There's no gas being formed. But this is a chemical reaction. And the way we determine that is through the temperature change that happens. Now I'm going to do this chemical reaction with a thermometer in place. All right, I've got a fresh beaker of HCl here, and I've got a digital thermometer in it, and my phone set up to record a close-up of that digital thermometer. And it's measuring right now just the room temperature, about 74 degrees. And now I'm going to add the NaOH. And you'll see the temperature increasing. Here's the reaction you just saw. It has a delta H of reaction, or heat of reaction, of -57 kilojoules per mole. That negative sign tells us it's an exothermic reaction where heat is released, and that causes the surrounding temperature to increase. This is what we saw on the digital thermometer. When I combined HCl and NaOH, I really didn't use too much, just about 0.015 moles of each. And when I calculate with that, that gives 0.0855 kilojoules of heat were released. This may not seem like a lot, less than 1 kilojoule, but it was enough to raise the temperature by over 25 degrees Fahrenheit. It caused that beaker to get very hot. This reaction is a very exothermic reaction, producing a lot of heat. Thanks for watching.